Tired of downloading the same massive game twice just because it's on a different platform? First, locate the game in your Steam library that you want to transfer to Epic Games. Right-click on the game title. In the context menu that appears, select Properties. Now, in the Properties window, click on the Local Files tab. Next, click the Browse ... button. This will open the folder where the game files are stored on your computer. This File Explorer window is your treasure chest. Keep this window open, we'll need it later. Now, close out of Steam completely, making sure it's not running in the system tray. This is important to avoid any file conflicts. Open the Epic Games launcher and locate the game you want to install. Make sure it's the exact same version, or very similar to the Steam version you are transferring. Start the download, but only let it download for a few seconds, just enough to create the game folder on your drive. Then, pause the download. Now, completely close the Epic Games launcher as well. Similar to Steam, ensure it's not running in the system tray. Time to find the Epic Games game folder. The easiest way is to navigate to your Epic Games installation directory and locate the folder with the game's name. If you're unsure where your Epic Games games are installed, check your Epic Games launcher settings under Downloads. Now, carefully copy all the files and folders from the Steam game folder that you opened earlier into the Epic Games game folder. Overwrite any files if prompted. This may take a while depending on the game's size. Once the file transfer is complete, reopen the Epic Games launcher. You should see the game with the option to resume. Click Resume. Instead of downloading, the Epic Games launcher will now verify the existing files. This might take a few minutes. And that's it. If the verification completes successfully, the game should now be ready to launch from the Epic Games launcher. Enjoy.